I'm going to get more, but I can't guarantee that for you, but it just means I'll go for the lower.
Woo!
Or he would freak out.
I reckon you're going to freak out.
Yeah, you know what I'll take on tested.
Nerves.
I feel finding sinuses because I think I'll take 1, 2, 3 on the bottom.
Right. No way over the top though, or?
Yeah, exactly how you are is how you just walk out like that. Right. That just stays in front of you between your feet.
Oh god.
Okay, Mark, come on out, get your photo. Remember, just lean forward and have your hands up for the water and tuck your chin on your chest. Have fun, mate.
Thank you.
Awesome. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my good lord! And you guys do this for a living?
Oh, we sit in the boat for a living. Try and grab his pole when you can, mate.
I will do. God, you guys are crazy. You really are.
Woo! Yeah, here we go, this time. Nice.
But you don't fall out? Jeez, man. That was probably the scariest thing I've ever done.
Okay, my friend, just let go of the pole for me. What's your name, mate? Mark. Mark, my friend, what I need to do is just relax around and come on, listen.